In this tutorial, we will continue with the sketch-based features. How engineers do it. Before we start today's video, I would like to ask all my viewers to subscribe to my YouTube channel How Engineers Do It. Share the video among all of your friends and also hit the bell icon to never miss another update. Let's see how we can use the multi-section solid. In order to use the removed multi-section solid, we need to have a solid in the beginning. So to create the multi-section solid, we need to have two sketches. That's the minimum criteria to create multi-section solid. So firstly, we'll create a circle, and then let's create a plane at a particular offset, and then we will sketch in this. This time we'll create a hexagon. Now what we're going to do is we're going to merge these two sketches together, and we're going to couple the points so that the circle merges the way we want. So we need to have some insertion points. For that, let's get into the sketch, and this time let's click on the equidistant point, click on the circle and specify 6 because we have 6 endpoints for a hexagon. Click on OK, exit the sketch and go for multi-section. Click the first sketch and the second sketch and make sure that the closing point is on the same, almost on the same side and almost showing the same direction. Now go for the coupling and click add here and slowly start adding the points. First point that you would want to add is 1 and 2. Then you can slowly add one by one each points, 1 and 2. Fourth point. Fifth point. And the last point. So we have all the couplings being done right now. Once we click OK, as you can see, the circle is merged to the hexagon. Now let's see how you can use the multi-section remove. In order to use the multi-section remove, we need to have a solid. As we have a solid here, let's continue with the multi-section solid creation. Now click on the sketch and get into the sketch, and this time create a profile which has 4 edges. Make sure that the profile is closed. In order to do that, go for the sketch analysis, make sure it's closed, come out of the sketch and create another sketch here. This time create a rectangle. Now we have a rectangle and a 4-sided closed figure. Let's hide this to avoid confusion. Now we just have 2 sketches here. Now let's see how you can merge these 2 sketches. As I've shown you before, just go for the remove multi-section and select the 2 sketches first of all, and then go for coupling and then add coupling. Make sure that the closing point is almost on the same side, so let's do that first. Go for the closing point, replace the closing point, place it somewhere here, and show the direction as we have over here, so it's somewhere, you know, close by. And then go for the coupling, go for add, and then 1 and 2, click here, 1 and 2, click here, 1 and 2, and finally click here, 1 and 2. Click on preview, and you can see that the two sketches are merged together and they have created a hollow inside a multi-section solid. It doesn't mean that this should be always done in a multi-section solid. This can be done in any solid that you have created with any other features like pad or shaft, etc. So that's about the sketch based features. Let's see what comes ahead in our tutorials. Thank you for watching.